Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the geolocation in photos on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Photos in the Photos app. At the bottom here, you can tap on Albums to select the photos, or you can tap on Library to show all the photos on your device. Now in here, you can tap on the Select button at the top, and you can change the location of the photos by a single photo or multiple photos, so you can do a bulk update at once. So in here, I'm going to select, say, 5 photos, and then tap on the Share button at the bottom here. From the pop-up menu, you want to swipe up to go down and tap on Adjust Location. Okay, now you put in the new location that you would like to set for your pictures. So for example, I'm going to put in this address here, number 1 Barcombe Avenue in New South Wales. So I select that, and then that's it. So that is how you can apply the GPS location or the geolocation of the pictures taken on the iPhone 13 series running iOS 15. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.